Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to continue talking about staying healthy. Here we have 3 conversations, okay? We have 6 conversations. We have people talking about staying healthy. I need you to read the conversations and number the lines of each conversation in the correct order. Correct order means I put which one comes first. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Which one will be first? Which one will be second? Number 2, number 3, like this. Okay, let's do number 1 as an example. Let's read the conversation first, then we number the lines of each conversation. So here we have, you ought to eat more vegetables. Ought means you should eat more vegetables, okay? I'm trying to lose weight. What should I do? It would make your diet healthier. First, you should stop eating ice cream. Okay, that's one thing I can do. What else? Why vegetables? Okay, so you can see this is not in the right order. This is mixed. I need you to put it in the right order. So here you can see number 1 is finished. The first sentence is, I'm trying to lose weight. What should I do? What do you think is number 2? Which one should be number 2? What is the answer to this question? I'm trying to lose weight. You know what is lose weight, right? Lose weight means I am heavy. Okay, maybe I am, I don't know, many kilograms. I weigh a lot of kilograms. I need to lose. I need to get healthier. Okay, so what should I do? What should be the answer to this question? What do you think? If you look at the sentences, there is a sentence that says first. So that tells me that should be number 2, right? First, you should stop eating ice cream, okay? So you're going to write number 2. Understand? Number 2. Okay, so now the conversation is, I'm trying to lose weight. What should I do? Answer, first, you should stop eating ice cream. What do you think is the next answer for this? Okay, so there are 2 people talking, okay? This is 2 people conversation. What do you think the other person should say? Maybe like this. Okay, that's one thing I can do. What else? Right? So this is the answer to this. First, you should stop eating ice cream. Okay, that's one thing I can do. What else? So I think this should be number 3. Okay, number 3. What do you think is number 4? Because he asked, what else? What more? What else can I do? What more can I do to be healthy? Maybe it's this one. You ought to, or you should, eat more vegetables. Right? This could be an answer. What else do I do? What more should I do? You should eat more vegetables. Okay, so we'll make that number 4. All right, and then what should be the answer to you should eat more vegetables? What do you think? Is it would make your diet healthier, or why vegetables? So the person, he doesn't want to eat vegetables. So this is why he's asking, why vegetables? Right? So that would be number 5. Okay. And so the answer to the question, why vegetables, is it would make your diet healthier. All right, so that would be number 6. All right, everybody. So this is how we're going to put numbers for the conversation. Put it in order. Which one comes first, which comes second and third, and so on. So you have number 2. I don't think there are very difficult words here. Maybe just the sentence, well, doctors recommend aerobic exercise 5 times a week. So doctors recommend. Recommends means the same as you should. You should, okay? Aerobic exercise 5 times a week. Aerobic exercise is a type of exercise, kind of exercise, like, for example, running and jogging, things that help your heart, okay? So that would be aerobic exercise. I think you know all of these words. Let's look at number 3. Maybe you can look at this word, I can't fall asleep at night. Fall asleep means I can't go to sleep at night, right? So you're doing the same thing. For each conversation, you're putting numbers in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, telling me which one comes first. Here also, I think all the words are okay. They're pretty easy. Pediatrician, remember this. This is about, this is the name of a doctor who helps children, okay? Here, I don't think it's something difficult here. And I have the hiccups. Hiccups is, right? Like when sometimes children have hiccups. This is the conversation about that. I think breathe in and out. You understand? Breathe is breathe in and breathe out. All right. So this is for this paper, you're going to put the conversation in order. For the second worksheet, let's do it together, see what you can do. Circle the correct words in each question. So you're going to circle the words that you think are correct for each question. For example, how much exercise have you done or did you do so far this week? What do you think is the right answer? Here it's have you done. That's the right way to say it. How much exercise have you done so far this week? How much exercise have you done? All right. For example, number 2, have you taken or did you take your vitamins yet today? So what do you think? Is it have you taken your vitamins or did you take your vitamins? So you're going to tell me which one is right and you're going to circle. All right. Okay. For number 3, we're going to read the paragraph and then we're going to complete this survey. All right, let's read the paragraph together. Isabel hasn't been feeling well lately, and she wants to have a healthier life. In the past month, she has felt stressed every single day. She sleeps a lot because she thinks it will make her feel better. Every night, she sleeps 9 or 10 hours. She has had 4 or 5 serious arguments. Arguments are fights with her husband, and she's worried about that. She's not happy about that. She quit smoking. Quit means stopped. She quit smoking 2 years ago, but she has started smoking every day again. Okay, so she stopped smoking, but again, she started. She exercises 2 days a week, but maybe that isn't enough. Maybe she should do more, right? She tried to meditate. Meditate is like relax and do yoga and things like that, but she couldn't do it. She knows that's not the way to solve her problems. Solve means fix her problems, okay? So now we understand the story about Isabel. She is not very healthy. She feels tired all the time, and she has some problems going on in her life. So let's look at this survey and check off if she has done any of these things, okay? So what you're going to do is you're just going to put a check mark. For example, we have name Isabel, doctor. I don't think she has the name of a doctor here, but let's see. In the last 30 days, how many days have you smoked cigarettes? So we don't know about Isabel, but you can do this survey for yourself, okay? For yourself. So here we say, we have name Isabel, but this can be your name, okay? In the last 30 days, how many days have you smoked cigarettes? So if you want to answer this question, you're going to write the answer. For example, you're going to write, I've smoked 0. Okay? Or you can write more. Maybe you smoked more than that, right? So you're going to write the number of days. How many days, or in the last 30 days, so you're talking about 1 month, okay, 1 month. How many days have you felt very stressed? Okay, we know stress. How many days? So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many days? How many days in the last 30 days have you meditated? Meditated is like relaxed, and not relaxed, but just take some time out for yourself and be quiet and maybe do yoga or think, okay? But be very quiet and very still. That's called meditate, okay? Let's look and see if we can find a picture of meditate. Okay, meditate is, for example, this is meditation, okay? Meditate. All right. Slept less than 5 hours. So in the last 30 days, how many days have you slept less than 5 hours? How many days have you slept more than 9 hours? How many days have you gone out with friends? Okay, that's probably 0 for all of us. Number 7, done aerobic exercise. Aerobic, again, is like, for example, running, jogging, and things like that, okay? And the last one is gotten, number 8, gotten very angry with someone. How many days? Okay, so this will tell you how many days you've had any of these things. And we know that if you have more of, for example, smoked cigarettes, felt very stressed, gone very angry, maybe it's not good for your health, right? So this will give us an idea about us, if we are feeling healthy right now, doing healthy in every part of our life, not just food, but sleep and exercise and everything together. All right. All right. And the last thing, what you're going to do is, what advice would you give Isabel? What advice would you give Isabel? For example, you know she has these problems. Okay. For example, she has felt stressed every single day. Okay, so if you're filling the survey for Isabel, all right, and not you, example, if you do it for Isabel, you're going to see that she smoked cigarettes 30, all right, 30 days. 30 days. All right. So for Isabel, 30. You can write your own here. For example, let's say you smoke 0, but for Isabel, write 30, and you're going to match. You're going to see what your health level is. Okay. What else? So she smoked cigarettes every single day for 30 days, right? So that would be for Isabel. Then if you look here in her story, she sleeps a lot because she thinks it will make her feel better. Every night she sleeps 9 or 10 hours. So what do you think you're going to write in this box? Slept more than 9 hours. How many days are you going to write for Isabel? Okay, so you're going to read the story again, and you're going to write the survey for Isabel as well. Okay, for you and for Isabel. After that, you're going to do number 4, which is, what advice would you give Isabel? What should Isabel do? Because she has all these problems. She has stress, and she's sleeping a lot. She's having serious arguments with her husband. She started smoking again. She exercises, but not much. She tried to meditate, but she couldn't. Okay. So what advice would you give Isabel? So maybe you can write 3 sentences about advice to Isabel. All right, everybody. I hope you have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.